Now I would like to invite our distinguished guest, Mr. Shuji Akihiro, to deliver his speech regarding this program. Mr. Shuji Akihiro.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Muhammad Haniumia, Executive Director of BBTA, and Mr. Muhammad Zakir Hassan, Executive Director ICT, BBTA, and the other directors of BBTA, and the officer of BBTA, and the officer of Bangladesh Bank, and also so distinguished financial sectors, so high officials. Assalamu alaikum, and namaskar. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to convey my gratitude to Bangladesh Bank and the BBTA for making this opportunity on behalf of JICA. We would like also to thank the busy people from the financial community for your participation. This is Shuji Akihiro, JICA expert. JICA is Japan International Cooperation Agency under Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Government of Japan. And also, I'm a chief advisor of the project for ICT engineers development for the promotion of the ICT industry and new innovations, shortly calling JICA BCC basis TCP. TCP means Technical Cooperation Project. Actually, the project is collaborating with Bangladesh Computer Council, BCC, and the IT Industry Association, Bangladesh Association of Software Information Services, BASIS, mainly focusing the human resource development for software engineer. However, many stakeholders say that is only focusing to the software developer side. It is not enough to contribute to the development of ICT sector and the quality improvement. So it needs user, client, and the other side improvement and the knowledge recognition sharing are also very important. Therefore, we are here now and glad to meeting with you, like high-level tech officials of financial sector in Bangladesh. In this regard, the project would like to request to Mr. Muhammad Abdul Kalam Azad, Secretary of ISACA Dhaka chapter, is closely related to financial sector to take responsibility for the workshop facilitator and moderator today. Thank you, Mr. Azad, for taking this responsibility in this busy schedule. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we have two sessions already told by Master of Ceremony. First half is technical and awareness session. Second half is dialogue and needs analysis session for cybersecurity human resource development in Bangladesh, especially IT professionals in financial sector. The first session I would like request to Pipeline Inc., one of the Japanese cybersecurity companies, as keynote presenter. They will introduce you the current situation of the cybersecurity related financial sector in Bangladesh and Japan. Please, I hope to inspire you by this keynote presentation. The second session, we invite the panelists for the panel discussion, like the Director General, DG of the National Cybersecurity Agency, NCSA, under ICT Division. Also, Professor Dr. Muhammad Shahriar Rahman, United International University, who is studied in Japan, JICA, for cybersecurity. And also Mr. Fahad Zaman Chaudhary, Bangladesh Bank, who is also a cybersecurity expert. And Ms. Katsuki Naho, JICA expert. She is my colleague and working for our project as a JICA long-term expert for supporting IT training activities. You present one of the biggest sectors in Bangladesh, the financial sector, and we hope that you will reaffirm the importance of cybersecurity and share with us how the public sector should think about human resource development in this area. And we think it is very important and meaningful that your views and shared opinions across company and organizational boundaries. Besides, based on your views and needs, we would like to discuss with the Bangladesh government, including BBTA, what kind of cybersecurity human resource development is needed in the near future. As one of the organizers, I would like to conclude my speech by wishing you all a meaningful time at this workshop. Thank you very much. Dhonobad. Assalamu alaikum.